Because close to 95% of the national leaders that get elected comes from your process that we have started here. So you contribute significantly to the national democratic processes. And so you should take this as a very, very important exercise. Because if we fail to get candidates, I'm sure even the National Electoral Commission will be stuck. Because some of these political parties that present themselves as parties cannot sponsor candidates even in a half of the constituents of this country. They have selective areas where they sponsor candidates. But for the National Resistance Movement Party, we are going to have flag bearers for LC1 chairmen, for LC2s, for councillors 3s, for LC3s, for councillors of municipalities and town councils and the cities, for chairmen LC5, for mayors, for members of parliament, and for the president. Now, all that category and the layers that we are going to have candidates in, we elect those candidates. And through these books that we are trying to encourage the party to also put you on the payroll. If that works, we shall see how best we can handle. But the discussion is going on. We are also discussing how best we can improve your capacities as administrators of the party at the district level. Being an administrator of a political party, a revolutionary political party, is not just any other thing. Government is amending the Local Government Act to make our chairpersons of the district ex-official members of local government councils. The same will be for LC3s. The same will be for the villages and the parishes. That our leaders at the villages, parishes, sub-counties, municipalities, town councils, cities, and the districts could be having time to sit in the assemblies of local government as ex-official members. Now that is a vote of confidence in you as an administrator, because whatever takes place there, you need to record it. A government in power under a multi-party political dispensation presents itself and performs to implement the manifesto of a party in power.